What is up, YouTube tubers of the world? My name is Brad. Welcome to the Workbench, and we have the best coupons from Harbor Freight for November 2019. In this video, we're going to cut right through the Harbor Freight coupon game, and I'm only going to show you coupons that save you 30% off or better. We're going to try to get through them as quick as possible, which means if you see one you like, you're going to have to pause the video, and I'm not going to be able to tell you my personal experience with every single coupon that comes up. But I will chat with you along the way and tell you what I do know about products that I have used. So let's just get right into it. First up, we have the drill bit set. It's going to save you 44%. I've found that these are great in a drill press. They'll burn up quicker in a hand drill where you can't drop the speed quite as low. But for 11 bucks, go ahead and get them all day long. The gun case I have no experience with, but this coupon will save you 33%. And if I didn't mention it, this set of coupons is good until the end of the month, until the 30th. This set of hex adapters will save you 40%, so pretty good deal, but there used to be a coupon out there for 99 cents. Not sure if it's still there. 56% off the edge clamp. I have this at home. Great if you only have a circular saw to use. Allows you to make nice accurate cuts along a straight line. We got the Bauer corded impact for $70, saving you 30% off an already excluded item. But I think this may be the one that's going to go on sale during the Black Friday sale. It's a 3-day sale. I'm not going to do a video on it. Go check out the Bear Redemption Garage. I think Toolhead did one. Plenty of people have already covered the Black Friday deals. It's only a 3-day sale, kind of like a parking lot sale, so that's why I'm not going to include it in this video. And honestly, I saw a handful of deals that seemed pretty good, but otherwise I wasn't too impressed. You're going to save 32% off the Bronze Slim Light. Now, a lot of people like this light, but I encourage you to look at the Husky for $15 from Home Depot. I have it. I love it. And it's also on sale under the Defiant name right now for $12 at Home Depot. Same exact light. Now, we're going to have to talk about this deal for a minute because when I first saw it, I was like, oh my God, hell yes, this is an awesome coupon, because welders, no matter what the brand, are excluded from the 20% off. So the regular price of the Titanium Unlimited 200 is $700, and the regular price of the Omni Pro 220 is $950. So with this coupon, you'll save 10% off of the Titanium, which is an excluded item, so that's pretty good. But you're only going to save 7% off of the Omni Pro. So for the Omni Pro, it's going to be better to use this coupon. The only thing you got to watch is this 10% off no exclusions coupon expires on the 27th. The $70 off coupon expires on the 30th. So as long as you're getting the Omni Pro before the 27th, definitely go with this coupon here. Coming up, we got the Earthquake Cordless Impact 3H drive, saving you 29%, but it's an excluded item typically, so I figured I'd throw it up there for you. Pretty good deal there. We got 30% off the 2 step bits here. This is the set that I like because it comes with that bigger one to the left, is the one I use most often. These are very good, worth every penny. They're not going to last forever, but at that price, you buy them every 6 months or so and you're good to go. We also have the pack of the 3-piece step bits, a little bit cheaper. They don't get near as wide though, so these are nice as well, but I like the other set better. 47% off the hole saw set here. Very terrible quality. I almost didn't even put them up there, but if you're a sheetrock guy or something, they would get the job done for that. Great deal here, 35% off the 25-inch breaker bar. They also have the comfort grip for about 25% off at about $14.99. I didn't include it because it's not 30% or more, but both are good deals. I reviewed this Drill Master heat gun and it is still alive and kicking. I think it's a hell of a deal if you only need a heat gun on rare occasions. Definitely a good buy. Now these furniture dollies, you only save 27%, but I added it because I think they're a hell of a deal. If you ever need casters and they don't have to be locking casters, buy one of these instead. The casters remove very easily, and then the wood that this thing is made out of is maple. Not the best maple, but it's still maple. You can make other things out of it. Definitely a good way to save some money there. This oscillating tool I also reviewed. It's going to save you 30%, and if you go back and watch my review, you'll see that it gets the job done. That's about the only good thing I can say about it. And sound the alarm, we have 50% off this 3/8 14-foot long towing chain. You will not find a better deal than that. Now this creeper is the last of our normal coupons, but you're not going to want to leave yet. We still have to roll through the brand specific coupons. I'm going to get through them real quick. Then we have new tools for November, and then we're going to get to some Inside Track Club coupons, really good ones in the back there. But let's just get through this. If you need one of these coupons, definitely pause the video, take a screenshot, hit subscribe, and then hit the play button, and let's keep on going. Alright, now coming up we have some new tools coming to Harbor Freight, or have already gotten there. And first up we have the Bauer string trimmer at 50 bucks. That's a hell of a deal if you're already in the battery platform. But if you're not in the platform, then I still say Ryobi's a better deal. They have 2 or 3 different combos of string trimmers. I got a review of mine, 2 years, going strong, love them. The Quinn 10-in-1, I really haven't been impressed with any Quinn screwdriver so far. I did a review of the fixed blade screwdrivers. The Phillips just didn't mesh with me at all. Others may feel differently, but I say save your money. There's better options out there. The red thing you saw right there was just some reflectors, no big deal. But I'm very excited to see that they're expanding the Bremen line. I have some of their regular locking pliers I've had for about a year and a half now, and I've been very satisfied with them. I also have some toys for the kids, and this dumb looking light. I mean, I don't know any other way to describe it other than it really just looks dumb. We got some new step bits coming to the line. These are Hercules. They say they're cobalt. The other ones are high speed steel. And me personally, I don't understand what the twists in them are for, other than to make them look cool, because step bits have no issue with chip evacuation, which is what I would assume those would be for, like a regular drill. So if you know, let me know. Which reminds me to tell everybody that this is a group effort here. If I missed a coupon, feel free to link it in the comment section or let me know about it and I'll put it in the description. And finally, a good trim router at Harbor Freight. But look at the price of it. It's $70. Bauer is an excluded item. And at that price, you're right near Bosch Colt prices. I just recently picked up this dual 3-piece set. And as you can see, they compare it to the Milwaukee 3-piece set. It even has the ECX screwdriver bit. So I picked it up because I have the Milwaukee set, and I do plan on doing a direct comparison to see how it stacks up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and enable all notifications. That way you will be notified when the review is posted. Did I sound professional there? That was my best impression of a professional YouTuber. So carrying on, we got some Christmas lights, and we're pretty much getting into a lot of the stuff we saw last October. Let me just double check it. The toolkit seems pretty cool. Oh, and I picked up some of those balsa wood models of the little insects that were 99 cents last month. My daughter loved putting them together with me, so if you see them on sale again, pick them up, go have some fun with the kids, and yep, this is the stuff from last month. So let's get into the Inside Track Club coupons. You'll save 30% of this 10 gauge 25-foot extension cord. 10 gauge, you can carry up to 30 amps. Definitely pick that up. Hell of a deal. You will not find a 10 gauge extension cord that cheap. And like I've told y'all before, even if you are not an Inside Track Club coupon, you can still try to use them. They are getting a little more strict, but it's all up to the cashier and how stringent or how much attention they're really paying to what they're doing. So it's always worth a shot, and if they catch you and say, oh, you got to be a member, you can purchase the membership right then and there. But it's going to cost you more than getting it online. If you purchase a 1-year membership online, it's going to cost you $30, but then you get a $10 gift card. So $20 for a year only online. In the store, it's going to cost you $30. Kind of a weird way to go about doing it, but it's Harbor Freight. You got to know the ins and outs. I do plan on starting a vlog series, and you're going to see one of the first videos coming up soon, but one of the other videos in the series I'm thinking of is Inside Track Club worth it? I've been an Inside Track Club member for the last 2 years. I've definitely got a feel for what it saves you and when you should or shouldn't be a member. So if you're interested in seeing that video, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions or any thoughts of your own that you would like discussed. And by the way, I missed it while I was rambling on. The last coupon was 50% off for the larger 7-piece hook and pick set. Definitely a good buy. I've really enjoyed having it at home. Now, when the hell did Harbor Freight get a solar gopher chaser? Okay, moving on. They've had this 3-piece masonry diamond set for a long time. They just used to all be black. Now they're colors, same price, same discount. We got 37% off the 8-piece offset box wrench sets. I love these kind of wrenches for holding back up on nuts and bolts. We got 37% off the electric die grinder for 30 bucks. This thing is great. It's the one you just saw me use in my power carving video. For at home, I can't say I use it every day or anything. I've used it probably 5 times in 6 months, but for what I've used it, for what I use it for, it has done great. We got 33% off the torque extensions. Now, I've never used these, but I have heard probably about half people say they're good, half people say they're bad. 37% off the 60-inch long aluminum bar clamp. I have a few of these. I don't use them too often, but when you need them, they're definitely nice to have. Now, I do have the larger version of this edge guide, but I think I'm going to pick up this 24-inch one just because I think it looks like it'd be a little easier to get in and out. You know, not as clumsy. And then some weird screwdrivers for cheap. And with that, we are done with November. Hope you found some coupons you liked. I will see you in a couple weeks with the monthly December Inside Track Club coupons, and then mid-month of December for this same thing, the best Harbor Freight coupons of December. But I need you to do me one favor. If you did happen to find a coupon to use, if you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, I need you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down there, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace!